So everything is supposed to be closed right now, but yet there's still a lot of traffic out. All right then. Alright, so right now I am heading to go do a collab with Steve from Mission Uber. So if you haven't checked out his channel, make sure you go and check that out because he's got a lot of good stuff on there. Pretty good, fun trivia stuff. But right now, we're in the middle of a statewide lockdown for essential travel only. And it's a Sunday afternoon. And it looks like a normal Sunday afternoon on these roads. So here you go and enjoy our little ride to go to Steve's house. And yes, that's essential because we want to bring you cool content. Oh, if you're ever in Buffalo, hold on. Yeah, if you're ever in Buffalo, that pizzeria I just passed there, Picasso's, perfect pizza. Amazing.